Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to do a fakie backside exo stool. If you're not familiar with my channel, here you will find how to skateboard trick tips and quick skate edits. If this sounds interesting to you, stay tuned and consider subscribing. When you approach the quarter pipe, put your back foot on your tail while your front foot should be placed on the bolts over your front truck. Approach the trick with just enough speed to clear the coping. As your back truck goes above the coping and your front truck is almost at the coping, press down on your tail slightly and start to turn with your shoulders and turn your hips 90 degrees to lock into the fakie backside exo stool. So now both trucks should be on the top of the coping. To have a good balance, you should lean back slightly to really stand on the top of the quarter pipe and have your legs slightly bent. Sometimes your truck sits back far at the coping, but don't worry about it, you can quickly adjust it with your back foot to prepare to drop in. To come out the fakie backside exo stool, press down on your tail slightly, start to turn your shoulders and turn your hips forward towards the bottom of the ramp. Lean forward and make sure you have your balance over the center of your board. Put down all 4 wheels and roll away. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. Grab your board and find the closest ramp and practice your fakie backside exo stool. Go skate and have fun.